Welcome back to today's project. I'm taking advantage of a dreary day to get some overdue maintenance done. I'm blessed to be a part of a great company that provides me with a vehicle. This is my work truck. It's a 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500HD. It has the 6.6 liter gas engine. The rest of our fleet is diesel, but I ordered this one with a gas engine as I rarely need to tow heavy loads these days and didn't want to deal with the hassle of DEF and emission issues on the newer diesel. It's a great pickup that suits my needs to a T. It rides pretty good for a 3/4 ton. We handle the majority of our own maintenance and repairs in-house. We installed a vehicle lift last year, which has really been a game changer for us. It makes routine maintenance so much easier and a lot safer. I'm past due for an oil change by mileage, as I've been putting it off for a few weeks due to a hectic schedule and nasty weather. But we just barely made it by the truck's computer. Drain plugs just seem to come off so much easier when you aren't laying on the cold ground. Oil filter accessible from the bottom, right beside the drain plug. Convenient and a whole lot less mess. GM actually got this one right. Out with the old filter. And in with the new filter. Reinstall the oil plug, and we are done under here. Let's lower her back down. And I'll stop it just off the ground since I'm doing a tire rotation. These 35s are heavy. Eight quarts of 5W30 full synthetic. That basketball scholarship never did come through. Check the dipstick, and we're right in the middle of the hash marks. I'm changing the air filter while I've got it in the shop, as I'm on and off dirty, dusty construction sites every day. Now to start her up and make sure we've got good oil pressure, I'll reset the oil life in the computer while I'm in here. I like to note the service in my manual for future records. Now I just cross the front tires to the rear and roll the rears to the front. Now that the weather is finally broken, I'll squirt off the salt and the winter dirt. Good as new. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next project.